yes, format के हिसाब से it's a Western music.
This is more like how you would see a Lion King in the West. It's a story which also relies on music to take the story forward, and it's more about the song and the dance and the visual treat that a person gets. Unlike in a film where you have more dialogues and more story and all that. This is more about the visual appeal of dancing and the music, and the story is a sutradhar between the music and the
But the reason why we kept it beyond Bollywood is that we want to show and explore the other parts of India, the other culture of India, the other sounds, the other music in its original format, and not mixed with necessarily mixed with any English beats or something like that. So we've tried to maintain the authenticity in terms of music, in terms of choreography, in terms of costumes. So it's mainly folk dances will look like folk dance. Of course, the energy and the lights will glamorize it, but the music is very raw. And the choreography is also typical folk dance picked up from the parts of India. And also the Kathak dance, we've kept it very authentic.
It was challenging initially, as I remember being a dancer, I used to be fumbling with my lines a lot. And that was a time when Rajiv sir really encouraged me and he said, okay, it's okay, I have been a dancer, I've been there, take your time, go through the lines, reverse it. So I think it's because of his faith in me that I've been able to pull it off. And people say that I'm pulling it off pretty well now. So let's see. It was a difficult task. It was difficult for me because I haven't done any kind of theatre before. But this way I've learned a lot about theatre, acting and dancing. So yeah, because we have me and Anna have already shared screen together. Like we've been on the reality show. We are very comfortable with each other. But being on as a lead with a group of people, leading the whole thing, you have this whole thing going on. So yeah, it was a little playing the character. No, it wasn't that difficult because the character is a choreographer at the end of the day. So my character is a choreographer's character. So it's pretty much I understand what he's going through, what he's feeling. So and it was well narrated. The script was well narrated to me when I got into the character. So yeah, it was.
It's a different feeling just dancing. When we were in like India's Dancing Superstar stage, we used to just dance. We didn't have a character as such. But this is a little different, and I know what you mean. I mean, it's very different expressing just dancing and very different expressing dancing and acting and just acting.
Yeah.
So that was something like just dancing, just acting plus dancing was like, what am I supposed to do now? So that was something that was difficult to switch because sometimes when you're dancing, you just like go with the flow and you forget that, oh, you're a character. So there's a certain way that the character will dance. Maybe she's shy, maybe she's very confident, maybe she's, very comfortable with people, maybe not. So like that was difficult to find it, but when you understand the character, then it flows easily into your dance. So that way, so really helped us with that a lot in the characterization of the of each person. So that way became easy. We're still finding it, but I think it'll get better with each performance.
These guys are the future stars, and I've seen this play and I've seen this musical. We've seen just the rehearsal. It's going to debut in the next week, but after the debut and after this play goes to Europe, maybe people who have not turned up today and people who've turned up, thank you. For them, these guys are really going to go way up in their careers because they are just fantastic. Not only just they're fantastic dancers, but to have a complete package of dancing, acting, dialogue delivery, carrying themselves on stage, and comfort level with the audience and performance. They're all three of them just fantastic, and not only just
हम करते हैं ये लोग सारे तो एक टीम है हमारी, बरसों से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं और कुछ अच्छा एक आइडिया था, एक अच्छा प्रोडक्ट था, अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट था टू एक्सप्लोर इंडिया के साउंड्स, इंडिया के कॉस्ट्यूम्स, फोक डांसेस के कॉस्ट्यूम्स और द एनर्जी, इतना रोबस्ट डांसिंग है। तो वो आइडिया लेके मैं सलीम सुलेमान के पास गया, उनको बोला, इरफान और मैं साथ बैठे, थोड़ी ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग की, बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ यहाँ से भी आए हमको। टीम एफर्ट, इससे जॉइंट एफर्ट, इरफान सिद्दीकी, सलीम सुलेमान और मेरा स्टार कास्ट जो है, ब्यूटीफुल कथक डांसर्स, वेस्टर्न बैले, जैज़ बैले डांसर्स, पूरा मेरा डांसिंग क्रू, कॉस्ट्यूम्स, लाइटिंग गाइस, साउंड गाइस, सबका ये टीम वर्क है और एवरीबडी इज़ ट्रूली इंस्पायर्ड बाय द होल कॉन्सेप्ट इटसेल्फ। So I'm really fortunate enough to actually be working with these guys, yeah, once again after a long time.
फिल्म के गाने बनाते हैं बहुत अलग होता है. There's a set script and there's a very limited guideline that you have to follow. But जब प्ले होता है, स्पेशली जिस तरीके से राजीव और इरफान ने लिखा है उस प्ले को, हमें काफ़ी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है टू एक्सप्लोर बियॉन्ड जस्ट बॉलीवुड. इसीलिए नाम भी ऐसे है, बियॉन्ड बॉलीवुड. काफ़ी सारे फोक डांसेस जो हम बहुत सारा फोक नॉर्मली पसंद करते हैं, तो उसे एक्सप्लोर करने का और उसे आगे ले जाने का, ब्रिंग इट इनटू द लाइमलाइट, ब्रिंग इट इनटू द वर्ल्ड मीडिया. क्योंकि आजकल बॉलीवुड तो है ही हमारा बहुत, वी आर वेरी फेमस फॉर बॉलीवुड, बट देयर इज़ ऑल्सो अ वेरी एक्टिव and interesting folk culture which we have, which India has, और उसे कोई एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर रहा है, कोई टैप नहीं कर रहा है, और वो ट्रेडिशन आस्ते आस्ते कम होता जा रहा है. So for us this was the perfect opportunity to bring out the folk culture, to bring out the perfect synonymity between Bollywood and Indian folk.
Choreographer, but then he became the acting director also. Because the whole ad was shot on, dancing was an integral part. It was about shoes, but he made me dance, and we were really dying to play the promo for Namaste today as well, for all of you. But I think it's going to be as a post show, because it's a beautiful song. It's a very, very fun-loving, very entertaining song, and it's the main song of the